This original stock front bumper, we want that tucked in tight look. And so we're wanting to get rid of these gaps here. We're going to push this bumper back in. We're going to change the back of that there. We're going to make this fit our grill. Our grill is dress right dress, dead center, 62 car, but our customer wants the earlier grill look. And so this kit's going to be for the earlier grill look. Pretty sure the bumpers will still fit with the 61-2 grill. So that's what it looks like. And we'll give you a couple little steps of what we're doing, how we're going to get to where we're going. So it's kind of tough to see because we have it taped off by our eyebrows. We made our eyebrows right now one whole unit. The back, the bottom, and the top in there with fasteners to hold it in place. So as what we've done before this is we glassed in to make our bonding strips. So now we're going to add our bonding strips on the back side. It's basically a rear flange for the bumper. It's kind of like a puzzle. Just you got to make the friggin' pieces to make the puzzle come together. But our ultimate goal here is when we're done, we're going to have a complete bumper that will tool, and our tool will be multiple pieces to get the bumper out. So it has a back, it has fasteners, it's complete. It's a complete bumper that's going to bolt back in to where the original fasteners go. So right here is the grill fastener going in. And the next one is the bracket that comes up off the frame. We're changing our bumper a little bit in here, so you're going to have to make a new frame bracket. But I think if you got enough talent to work on your Corvette, take the bumpers off and put them on, you have enough talent to make a bracket. Naturally, if you're doing a Restomod, every one of these cars, these frames are a little different. They should be the same, but we know they're not. And so you're going to have to custom make this front bracket. So we're just putting the pieces all back together. Took a lot of steps to get to where we're at. Because we first started with that original bumper and we made a two-piece mold off of that. So in turn, give you something to work with and think about. First thing we did was made a hollow bumper, which we have here. So that's out of our mold that we made. So we had to invest the time in making a mold to make a bumper. Then we made some individual pieces, and after that we'll probably never use that mold again, because we're going to tool a whole brand new mold off of this when we're done. So our bumpers are complete with the back and with mechanical fasteners to hold it in. So we have a mechanical fastener where I'm putting all these bolts in. There's a mechanical fastener glassed into this bumper flange. So this is the back of our bumper, which will be finished like the front. It can be painstaking sometimes to get it, but you want to get it right. And so now we're going to take the two halves that we're fitting now. Now when you look down the side of this, at the top it's going to be tucked in approximately 3/16 of an inch. And this will get filled, so you're going to be opening this bumper about 3/16 of an inch. The back of it will get cut to fit. The front of it here is going to get cut to fit that molding, that grill tooth. And so that's pretty much the basics of the beginning of our new front bumpers. So we'll see if this will fit, but it's probably not going to go quite over that. Gap's too big. We need to keep it where the gap is smaller. So now we're going to put some bonding strips in here, start building from the back out. And when we get a little further, we'll give you another little shot at her.